She needs a new place to sleep every night. But when you live in a rainforest, packed with creepy crawlies, finding a cozy spot to bed down is tricky. Sun bear's claws can grow twice as large as a grizzly's. But trees are not designed for sleepy bears. Not comfy. This clever bear knows exactly what to do. She chooses the perfect location. Somewhere sheltered, with a handy fork in its branches to build on. Carefully tensioning each branch and weighing them down into position, she's building a bear-sized bed. And just like all the best places to live,